Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Sagittarius fire sign for the last week of July. So let's see what is going on your connection. So I am trying new. So your person current feelings right now, Sagittarius. So your person current feelings. Okay, Two of Swords, Eight of Swords, Seven of Wands, King of Wands. So let's see your current feelings right now. Sagittarius, Ten of Cups, Queen of Wands, Six of Cups, Nine of Swords. So Sagittarius, your person feeling stuck, but they are at some crossroads also. They are not decision making, but they don't want to give up on this connection. They want this connection. Even there are obstacles in this connection, your person want this connection. And you feel you want this connection because you feel soul connection with each other, strong soulmate and past life connection. And Ten of Cups, you want happiness with this person. And here see King of Wands and Queen of Wands. You both powerful couple. Definitely lot of passion is there between both of you. You both are strong people. So definitely you both want this connection. You both are fighting for this connection. So your person is not giving up even they are obstacles. Even if they are obstacles, sometimes you are also upsetting or you getting some upset thoughts about this connection, but at end of the day you want this connection at any cost. So these are the feelings. Let's see mutual feelings. Sagittarius, mutual feelings between both of you. Wow, Ace of Cups and Ten of two cards. The Moon. Yes, there are some issues. Definitely the Moon, your person could be Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sag. Definitely all signs. So there is lot of love between both of you. Ace of Cups. And sometimes some issues are happen between, or they will come and they go. So you don't be nervous because there is lot of love between both of you. Some understanding issues between both of you I'm getting. So let's see, let's pull some more cards for Sagittarius. From your side, Sagittarius. I don't read reverse cards. Projection, Seven of Cups. On their side, the outsider, Five of Pentacles. Yes, when you both separate, definitely you both fantasizing about each other and your person feeling very lonely. Five of Pentacles. When you separated, I think already reconciliation is happened between both of you, because Six of Cups, or it is going to be happen because reconciliation card is here. So mutual. Wow, ordinariness. Eight of Pentacles. Definitely you both want to work on this relationship. So one more card from the universe for final message, Sagittarius. Wow, maturity, Ace of Pentacles. Definitely you both will get mature about this connection, and there is long-term commitment, and this relationship is going to many years, because Ace of Pentacles is long-term commitment is coming in your way. So obstacles will come and will go. Definitely you both overcome these obstacles because there is a strong connection between both of you and a lot of passion between both of you, because King of Wands and Queen of Wands is here. So you both fantasizing strong fire energy and strong earth energy Sorry, earth energy is wrong. Fire energy and air energy and water energy is here. So definitely those who are in separation, reconciliation will happen. Definitely your person will not leave this connection at any cost, because they are so much attracted to you. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.